wish you a very happy World Environment Day. So through this video, let's understand what is World Environment Day, why it is observed, who declared this, and what is the main significance of observing this World Environment Day, who is the host country for this year, and what is the theme for this year. All this, let's have a quick glimpse through this video. So, for too long, we have been exploiting and destroying our planet's ecosystems. Do you know every 3 seconds the world loses enough forest to cover a football pitch? And over the last century, we have destroyed half of our wetlands. So, the United Nations Assembly established World Environment Day in 1972 to act upon this, and this day is observed every year to generate awareness about the significance of nature and greenery. World Environment Day was first observed in 1974 in the US. Though it was established in the year 1972, it was first observed by US in the year 1974, and the theme for this year is ecosystem restoration. So, World Environment Day is celebrated on every June 5 just to create or insist the importance of nature. It is celebrated across the globe to tell people that nature should not be taken for granted and must be respected for its values. Do you like your earth to be like this, full of greenery, a fresh blooming waterfalls, the blooming flowers, the shining sun? Do you want your earth to be like this, or polluted like this? Air polluted, water polluted, it is polluted by sound, full of plastics. Do you want your earth to be like this? Obviously, each and every one of us want our earth to be very much green. The fresh air, sound-free environment is the clear water. All we want our earth to be like that. But all the forests are gradually getting converted to the concrete buildings due to the increase in population, and though we want our earth to be green, it is not the truth in the real. Yes. So you won't even accept that emergence of COVID-19 is also the consequences, disastrous consequences of ecosystem loss. By shrinking the area of natural habitat for animals, this we have created the ideal conditions for pathogens, not only for coronavirus, including many funguses, the parasites, bacteria, all are multiplying in multiples now because of the very shrunken area for the natural habitat. So, coronavirus is one such impact of the ecosystem loss. And children, this is our moment. We cannot turn back time, but we can grow trees, green our cities, rewild our gardens, change our diets, and clean up rivers and coasts. We are the generation that can make peace with nature. Let's get active, not anxious. Let's be bold, not timid. The World Environment Day is focusing the ecosystem restoration, and its theme is reimagine, recreate, and restore. And this year, the host country for the World Environment Day is Pakistan, and we, the Indians, hosted this day, the World Environment Day, in the year 2011 with the theme Forests, Nature at Your Service. So, do you know what is meant by ecosystem restoration? It means preventing, halting, and reversing the damage. We cannot say stop building the industries, stop building the housing units. We cannot say start building the industrial development. But the same way, we can grow more trees. We can reduce deforestation. If you are cutting a tree, try to plant 10 trees so that the ecosystem can be restored. Okay, so instead of exploiting the nature, we can try to heal it. So even many of our leaders have given the messages on the nature. What we are doing to the forests of the world is but a mirror reflection of what we are doing to ourselves and one another. So it is not the nature is punishing us, it is not the nature is destroying our life. It is the mirror reflection of what we have done to the nature. We have destroyed the forest, we have reduced the lands for the animals, wildlife. So the impact is what we are undergoing now. The earth does not belong to earth, us, we belong to the earth. We may go away in few years, but the earth is there forever. So the earth do not belong to us, we belong to the earth. And the earth is not yours, it is not mine, it is ours. So protect your mother who nourished you. Happy World Environment Day to you all. Thank you.